I am taking here, of course the light is there, so to on the light. This is the light focusing is there. Now I will show you how the calibration is to be done. First of all, you have to take, this is all the plunger. The plunger is to be taken at the top. This is the screw is there, this home screw is there. The plunger head is touching to the screw, the home position. You have to keep this block which is having a 10 mm height. Whatever the height is there, that should be shown in the penetration reading. Now I am keeping below this one. You have to do the calibration. So naturally, this block, whatever the height we want to measure that. So you have to, this is the jack. I will show this is this knob over here. So this is the jack which I am picking it up. So all this transfer is taken at the top. See, this is just touching to this base of the plunger. You have to move this one so that you will be able to feel that the plunger is touching to the top of the standard block. So it is touching, I am taking it out. Now whatever the distance of the block, this is 10 mm. So naturally this plunger, when the timer is started, this plunger goes down. Of course this is a solid piece, a solid plate is there, so it won't go beyond that. So whatever this distance is traveled, that is being shown in the penetration reading. For that, now you have to do the reset. Now here the reset is there, so I want to make it 0. So the reset penetration reading is 0. Timer is 0. Temperature, of course, it is maintained. It will go to maintain because compressor is on. It will go to 25. Now I am starting it. As soon as this starts, see the timer is counting. As well as this motor is coming down. You see the motor is coming down. And just it touches, it goes to the home position. Now the reading has come to 101. This is almost 100. So this is what the penetration reading. So that means my calibration reading is correct. The time is 0. Of course the down counting is there. So now it has gone to 0. Now this is the penetration. This way the calibration is to be done. Now again I will show you. For the second reading, again I am going to take this plunger to the home position. It is just as soon as it touches, you see this signal is green. Suppose if that means this is the authentic reading. There is a 0, 0. If it is taken down, you see that light has gone out, it has become red. So naturally, when the signal is green, at that time this plunger is touching to the home position. That means there is no gap. The error is neglected. So this is what this. That is why we have given the signal over here. This has become green, and the plunger is touching to the base, to the home position screw. Now I am going to start it. Reset. I am going to do the reset. The start timing is there. See, 5-second time down counting is there. That is 0. It has come to 101. That means again the same reading is there. That means whatever the calibration block height is there, it is showing. That means the calibration of this instrument is correct. Now if you want to set the temperature and time, I will show you how to do it. Now this is what this is the time temperature setting. I am pressing this 25. Suppose if you want to change it, you have to clear it up. You have to set whatever the temperature you want. So I am setting it 25. Okay. Now this 25 is set. Penetration time I am showing setting it at. I am going to clear it 8. I want to set it 5 seconds. Now this is what. Okay. The 5 set is the timing. 25 is the temperature. This is the factor. You do not have to change this factor because this factor is the default. If you are going to change it up, all the reading will be going to whatever the penetration reading is there, that will be that will be error is there, and you will get a wrong reading. That is why this is a default reading which you cannot change it. Now all this is the data which as I have done, whatever the previous reading I have taken, this all data is there, time, date, time, this is the temperature, this is the this is the time, and this is the actual penetration reading which I have done earlier. Now I am setting it again, I am reset it. All timing reading is 00, penetration reading is 0, time is 0, 25 is the temperature. Now I am going to start it. See, the timer is started. At the time, this is the coil is activated. The motor will going to come down. It has come down, it has goes up. See, the reading is 102. Almost this is near to 100. So this way the calibration is there. This is a container which you have to keep inside. Over here in this part just below that. This is the cone. This is the cone which I am showing. It has to be mounted by unscrewing this screw over here. This is the screw is that. You have to loosen it up and you have to mount inside that. So when the actual penetration of the sample, at that time you have to mount this cone. This I am showing you on the calibration. For consistency, you have to add this 50 grams and 100 gram weight by pulling this one. You have to add this one by opening this. See how the weight is to be added. I am just showing it up. I am taking it down. I am adding this weight in that. Again you have to put this one inside this one. They have put this 50 grams weight is there. Of course, this similarly you have to put this 100 gram weight also, and take the 3 readings. Take the average of that. Take the average after adding the 50 grams. You have to take 3 readings. Take the average, and without weight also you have to take 3 readings. Take the average. So you will be able to see the consistency of the instrument. Now here I have added 50 grams. Now suppose I am reading this, another weight is there, another block is there. I am doing the calibration of with the other block, which is about 160 mm. Now see, this is actually touching this one. I am taking it out. Now whatever this block height is there, say about 160 that is 16 mm block, so naturally in 110 it will show 160. So this 160, whether it is coming or not, I will show you. You have to reset it. All 00 timing is, of course, this 24 degree is there. Now I am starting it again. Time I am going to start it, which I have set to 5 degree. The plunger has gone down. As soon as the time is over, the motor has started. It just touches to that and goes to the home position. Whatever the distance traveled is being shown over here. This is about 159. This is almost moved to 160. So this way, the calibration with the other block also shows the correct reading. So this way, this penetrometer is very easy to operate and very easy to understand. Thank you.